welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gela from GelaInTheKitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you great cucumber garnish technique. First I'm making cut inside cucumber, but don't cut through. I use another knife to make angle cut. I flip my orange knife and make exactly same cut with my other knife. We can dress up this shape with greens. I'm adding in the center parsley. Here is another variation of this technique. When we use wavy knife, it will be slightly different appearance of our garnish. We can use this technique for other vegetables and fruits as well. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos.